With Samsung Unpacked just around the corner in July, leaked renders for the upcoming foldable smartphones have started surfacing on the internet. The latest renders revealed that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 are expected to retain a similar design as their predecessors, but with an exciting addition. These impressive foldable devices are rumored to have the ability to fold completely flat, providing users with an enhanced experience. In our today's video, we're going to share what we know so far, so let's get started.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The leaked images originating from MySmartPrice suggest that Samsung's upcoming foldable device have been hitting the gym since 2022. These devices appear to have slimmed down, featuring reduced bezels. While the Galaxy Z Fold 5 retains that familiar 3-camera setup seen in its predecessor, the lenses remain prominent. However, the most intriguing aspect showcased in these renders is the redesigned hinge, which could potentially be the key to achieving a more seamless and superior folding experience. Furthermore, as it might pack a slimmer bezel compared to the Z Fold 4, we might be able to see more screen-to-body ratio, which will cause an immersive viewing experience on this large device. Also, the upcoming Fold 5 might boast a water drop hinge that will allow the phone to flex inwards, resulting in a reduced crease and seamless closure with no apparent gap between the two halves of the screen when the device is fully folded. Beyond these aspects, the leaked images does not provide substantial information about the device. In general, the phone's design appears largely unchanged from its predecessor except for the noticeable slimmer bezel. Consequently, it seems that Samsung has not opted for a significant design overhaul this year, maintaining a familiar aesthetic for its upcoming foldable device. But the most interesting change we might see is in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The leaked design render of the Flip 5 showcases notable enhancements to the clamshell-style foldable phone. The image reveals a considerably larger curved display on the exterior, spanning almost half of the unfolded rear panel. Samsung has traditionally equipped its Z Flip series phones with a 1.9-inch screen. However, rumors suggest that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5 will introduce a significantly larger 3.4-inch cover screen. This will surpass the outer display size of the OPPO Find N2 Flip, which currently boasts a 3.26-inch screen. In contrast to the Motorola Razr Plus, the cover display of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 does not feature cutouts to accommodate the rear camera setup and LED flash. Samsung has opted for a unique approach by subtly curving the display, creating space for the dual camera configuration. The increased size of the display has necessitated a repositioning of the camera sensors and LED flash, which are now horizontally aligned alongside one another. Both foldables are expected to come with custom-developed Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC for Galaxy in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The same SoC is found in the Galaxy S23 series. According to rumors, the highly anticipated Flip and Fold model might be equipped with batteries of the same capacity as its predecessors, with 3700 mAh and 4400 mAh. So having a similar battery life with no changes is pretty disappointing. As the specifications are expected to be quite similar to the Fold 4, which had a price tag of $1,800, it's unlikely that the price tag of the upcoming Fold 5 will deviate significantly from its predecessor. However, when it comes to the Flip 5, it's challenging to determine the exact pricing due to the introduction of a larger outer screen. Nonetheless, industry expectations suggest that there might be a slight price increase for Flip 5 compared to its previous iteration. That's all we got to share with you guys today, and thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.